guys, Rush here and welcome back to another video. Should be saying welcome back me, wondering where in the earth I was for the last couple weeks. Before I talk anything about it, please visit my other social medias in the description below because I can at least talk to you and inform you on my other social media so I can know what's going on here. Before I get any more, I got a YouTube strike, old toppling video, but like I said, I'm over it. At least I'm happily continue uploading these videos. Luckily. First of all, let's see if we can keep this sub up going so I can reach 500 at the end of this year. And to make my returns back to YouTube, we're going to be looking at YTP Ratchet and Ratchet Queer for Bobby by our friend Reek YTP. Well, Reek YTP makes great YTPs of great Ratchet, Spyro, and Crash YouTube poops, which are so hilarious, and Jack as well. Make sure you subscribe to Reek YTP. I left the link so you can subscribe to that funny YouTube pooper. And without further ado, let's talk no more and let's get right into this. This one's taking 15 minutes. Presents Insama Snit. A YouTube poop presents a video by Reek Mayhem. Ratchet and Ratchet Queer for Bobbies. Lombax. Oh, and one more thing, 20 years old. Romulus Slag. Lombax. Kidnapped. Wrong. The Zoni kidnapped him. Slag. Chapter 1. The Ship of Unwanted Moons. Water.
Mardi Gras is an unregulated piece of unwanted visitors have a bad habit of unwanted visitors. Alas, poor Captain.
Oh.
No one misses you but me.
Bob.
I miss you too, Rusty Pete. You may not have me heart, but you'll always have me body, me. The crow hates me. They don't hate you.
My ears. Reverse. Clicking. Guys, I'm looking for you.
Wait. We're just here to find slag. This mangy stowaway seeks the ear of a
Dead.
Insomniac Games.
That's the Insomniac Games move right there. In Mardi Gras. Boobs. Slag. 6 Flags. Who? And 1 fire. Going all over the place. Chapter 2. The stripping of Poolfar. Ratchet. Clank. Hey guys. Ooh, that fart. Sprocket.
What brings you here? We're trying to contact a friend of ours, but... Sorry, miss. We vandalized a friend. What? Well, that is good news. Just kill yourself, miss. Nice going, kid. Thank you for your target.
It's tarnation. What? What are you doing? Nothing. You have nothing, Ratchet. Nothing. Glass of water. Gleaming box? Of course not. Let yourself some talent. Angstrom Dot Wars trip to the Walmart?
Not only did I find cheap Zuni, but I also met my miserable first mate, Slag. This
It's Ashwin.
I think I'm getting a signal.
6 Flags.
Well, it's about time, mate. Do I just found you?
Maybe not yet.
Yeah, but it doesn't work. Not surprising. You cheap old bitch. Darkwater hid the Fulcurm Star. Not big surprise. It's a map. A map?
We got some up.
Great. And I had just the pirate to help us. Ta-da! Now climb aboard, mateys. Captain Slag.
Mario Head.
And so, our hero set forth tomorrow with him was Rusty Pete, a noble women. This be a
Work a big shit. You know where we're going.
Of course I do. I got GPS. Look,
They survive to the next chapter. Chapter 3. The Caverns of Questioning.
here we are. What? Morrow
Okay.
Caverns.
What?
Famous for its millions of tortured souls awaiting their chance for revenge.
What? They still don't know what is Moral Caverns? They really need to know what area this game is, you know? Lag.
Well, it was a bit
So.
Ratchet, just promise we'll leave this place together, okay?
What?
Thanks, Ratchet. This path is so dangerous, so forbidden, so
Nervous, fun, rigorous.
that only a recitation of the fabled Song of the Dead shall open the way.
Slaggy C, stop working.
Right.
Right.
Stand right there, mate. I'll check for boobies.
Boobies? Isn't that a bit cliche?
Not at all, mate. You're the boobs.
What? Drake and Josh. To me, body. Mate. And there's hard feelings. Boom. To be scared. Exhibit dick. The wee. Ho 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 ho. Jack 2 reference. Well, geez. Ear rape. Isla Island. Chapter 4. The attack of the Jackers. No! And they attack each other, so let's continue.
Catch up with Darkwater before he comes back for a map. A map?
A map!
See, this was a map to Darkwater cocaine, but
Coke.
Happy to act happy. Now, of course, I couldn't offer my services with
Saying?
Let's go.
Oh,
No.
come on, Bart. No.
No.
Maybe.
No.
No. Chapter 5. Time marks the firepower.
All right, but I couldn't let my favorite customer go without a little something better than Hula Farm. How long you take a little extra fire? There it is.
The slag.
Star.
Run to the.
Star. Ah, fuck.
No!
Watch it.
Oh, Mark. Eggs.
I'll call tomorrow, young
Lombard. Hey, God.
Don't worry.
Lombax. Huh?
What did you just say?
A friend.
And now, the final chapter in our gripping saga.
Man, this YTP's flying fast. Chapter 6. Water gets black.
Welcome aboard, me hearty.
Ray.
Lord, me. I was just about to cut me. This is your last chance.
Slag.
Just hand over the star to return the favor. I got your dear Sally
Do it.
like a Marquesian trout.
Murder Town Apogee.
No, there's a spot of madness. No, this madness. This is madness.
Madness. Ready for the still Sparta joke? Slag. Sparta joke.
No more running, slag. Give me the slag.
Slag star. Slag.
Let's end this once and for all. The slag way. Bye, friend.
No. Star is mine.
Shut up, you miserable rascal. Or I chain you to the key.
You. My boy. No.
Oh, save ya, Captain! Fuck. And so, after several
Lucky shows. Cokes.
destroyed the Lumbacks returned to Hulifar to
Name. Chapter 7, the final chapter. Chapter Pete. Another explosion. Reverse cutbacks. Eggs. But. Minutes, Brendan. The bees. Not the bees. Rocking motion, watch your step, nefarious. Reverse. Now here comes the eerie and shaking room at the very stop working. I'm coming.
with the location of his missing mate. Whoa there.
Whoa there!
This space.
Space!
The end. Wanna
Hear it again.
I didn't want to hear it the first time. Let's hear it again.
Let's take it over the top.
Find me a
Or
new
not.
buddy. All right. No need to get cross. Now
Start roaring. Roar.
let me guess.
Back into it.
No. The end.
That's it. Anyways, if you like that, start rowing. The trip to the Walmart for booty. Weird. I don't know what kind of booty that means. Check out my original video I'll leave in the description below. Like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me up to my social medias. Like and subscribe. See you next time for more fun, YTPs and stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.